Can you buy more gold now? So this is a topic you're going to see today, and why this is more important because today there is a huge drop, and in the last 6 months the price of gold has seen a huge drop in value. So is it a good buy, value buy right now? So let's see today. Hi, hello, this is Ganesh Through your stock market profit coach. I help you in multiplying your money by investing in stocks and in all other asset classes. So I have written a book called One Page Stock Market Plan and also a book on money leaks, which helps you in multiplying your money. So today's topic is all about gold. I am a stock market profit coach. Why I deal with that? Because that is an asset class. This is also an asset class, right? So how you can make more money in gold is that by diversification. You invest in equities, you invest in real estate because you need to invest all across so that diversification occurs. And gold has been in a consolidation mode for a very long time, and now it is in a bearish mode, meaning from 56,000 rupees, almost like 24 karat gold, I'm saying 10 gram of gold was around 56,000 rupees. From then on, it started correcting and it was hovering between 48 to 50,000 for a very long time. And now it has crossed, went below 45,000 rupees in Indian market. So what it means is that it's bearish, and some are saying it will go reach around 40 and 42,000 rupees. But what it signifies is that there is a huge correction, there is a huge opportunity. Why there is a huge opportunity in that? In my sense, according to me and most of the people who are investors for long term, is that the huge correction in value. And why gold went up to 56,000 in the last 1 year is that because there is a huge uncertainty because of corona. Once corona started, the gold prices started increasing like anything, and after 3 4 months it was very much clear that all the federal government across the US and European nations, they are going to do whatever it takes to protect the people from protect the people in the form of giving stimulus. And even right now it's almost like 1.9 trillion dollar stimulus has been passed in the law, US government. So all this made inflation was already not there in US. And for the last 10 years gold didn't increase. And if you look at the way the gold has increased in the last from 1970s. In 1970s gold was seen as a huge returns, and 80s and 90s stock market had seen a huge returns, but gold was horrible. And after that, during 2006 and 11 period, there is a huge profitability in gold. So every there is a cycle. If you look at any asset class, there is a cycle, and I strongly believe this is a time because number one point, there is a huge uncertainty. One is coronavirus. Again, the second wave is starting and it is going off. But the problem what the corona created because of the economic crisis, it exists all across the world. Emerging nation, they can print money, they can make sure, because printing money can increase inflation, but inflation is already very low in US and the UK and all the European nations. So they are printing money. And even in Japan, there is a deflation. So all these countries doesn't matter, they keep printing money. But in India, already the inflation is very high, and right now it is around 4.5. So in India, we didn't print money. But the problem is, what will happen if the inflation is increasing in US and all the developing nations? What will happen if the equity is getting punctured, because the valuation is very high all across the world, and money flow from one asset class like equity, it needs to get into other asset class. Right now Bitcoin has seen a huge inflow, and there has never been a such craziness in Bitcoin and all other asset classes. So once uncertainty increases in the world, again the gold will see its again it will come back. In the last 10 years, there has been a bull market, but one way or the other, the stock market was correcting and keep on going. But in the last 10 months, right from last March, April, when because of Corona, the stock market corrected by 40%, and now all across the world, the stock market has went up by equally 100%. So whatever lost has been recovered and even went higher. So in these kind of scenarios, the valuation is very crazily high in all the equity market. But if you look at gold, gold has been always going irreversible. I mean, if equity is growing, gold will go down, and if equity is correcting, that is when gold will start moving up. If you look at the last 10 years, right from 2011-12, equity has been very high. Almost every year it has been a standard returns. And but currently, if there is a equity correction in last 2019-20, that is when gold went up. So if there is a uncertainty coming up, maybe in the next 1 year or 2 year, that is the point gold will see its move. So currently market has corrected from 56,000 to 44 45,000. So in the next maybe 2 3 years, maybe in the next 1 or 2 years itself, we can see a huge up move in the gold. So that is a huge opportunity what I see. And anyway, gold is gold, and think of it as an asset class, as an investment product more than an emotional reason. And currently, if you're buying gold, buy it over the mutual fund or through the sovereign gold bond, you will see a huge value appreciation over a period of time. My favorite has been DSP World Gold Fund. I can tag you. You can see that in the first few seconds. So go to there. I can even provide it in the description. Go and check that description. So because all these are things where you will never see a drop. The appreciation will be much higher because the DSP World Gold Fund. They are not buying the gold, 24 karat gold. They are investing in US mining companies, gold mining companies. So the profit is going to be much higher compared to all the other mutual fund or all the other exact gold price. So that is the point. Just watch that video for to know more about DSP Gold Fund. Okay. So and during uncertainty, for sure, gold will increase, and inflation is expected. US is expecting at least 2% inflation. If that is increasing, that will create almost other way of increasing. And during inflation, there will be a weakness in any currency, and during that time, gold will have its own value because you can anyway, gold is gold. That is what everyone will say, no? So gold is gold. You can keep the gold, get the money back, use it for your personal life, use it for your business, whatever it is. Gold is a gold. So just go for it. Can you buy more gold? Buy it in a systematic manner, not everything right now. Maybe if you are freshly adding any investment in equity, my suggestion will be invest allocate some portion in gold, because in the next 1 or 2 years you can safely make some money. In equities, you need to be watchful. If you're a fresh beginner, maybe you should be cautious enough right now getting into equity. Better get into gold. And if you're a retired employee or having a surplus money, put it in gold. Next 1 or 2 years, safely you will make 20 to 30% returns. Either physical gold or my choice of DSP World Gold Fund, whatever it is, you will make some more money in gold. 1 to 2 years timeline. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please click the subscriber button and share this video with your friends so that they also watch these kind of videos and get unlimited ideas about making unlimited wealth in their life. Thank you so much. If you liked it, please click the like button as well. Thank you, and click the subscriber button as well. Thank you.